Hello friends! Welcome back to our computer class. Today, we are going to learn about input and output devices. A computer needs two main things to talk with us. First, it needs a way to get information in. And second, it needs a way to show information out. These two are very important for a computer to work. Now, let's learn more about them one by one. Let's start with input devices. An input device helps us send information to the computer. Here are some advanced input devices. A keyboard is used to type letters, numbers, and commands. A mouse is used to click, drag, and select things on the screen. A scanner converts printed pictures or documents into digital files. A microphone records your voice for videos, music, or commands. A game controller is used to play video games. A webcam captures photos and videos and sends them to the computer. Barcode scanner reads barcodes and sends product details to the computer in a shop. Remember, if it sends data to the computer, it's an input device. Now, let's talk about output devices. An output device helps the computer show information to us. Here are some advanced output devices. A monitor shows text, images, and videos. A printer prints documents and pictures on paper. Headphones produce sound, music, or voice from the computer. A projector shows the computer's output on a big screen for everyone to see. A plotter is like a special printer that can draw big charts, maps, or designs. Engineers and designers use it. A VR headset shows 3D images and makes you feel like you are inside a virtual world. Do you know, friends? Some devices can do both. They can send information to the computer and show or give information from the computer. These are called input and output devices. A touch screen is both an input and output device because when you touch the screen, that is input. When it shows something, that is output. A pendrive is both an input and output device because when you copy files into the computer, that is input. When you copy files out from the computer, that is output. Friends, now it's time for a fun quiz. Let's see how much you have learned about input and output devices. I will ask you some questions, and you have to choose the correct answer. Are you ready? Let's begin! Which device do you use to type letters and numbers? Your time starts now. Awesome! The answer is keyboard. Which device shows pictures, videos, and text from the computer? Your time starts now. Good job! The answer is monitor. Which device converts printed pictures or documents into digital files? Your time starts now. Yes, you are right. Answer is scanner. Which device draws large charts, maps, or engineering designs? Your time starts now. Excellent work! The answer is plotter. Which of these is an output device? Your time starts now. Good job! The answer is projector. Which of these is an input device? Your time starts now. Great work! The answer is mouse. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun computer lessons. See you next time. Bye-bye.